10 Trim the Treers, a holiday counting book by Janet Schulman, illustrated by Linda Davick. 10 little neighbors about to trim their tree. They'll dress for the occasion. Turn the page and see. One shiny golden star at the very tip top. 2 strings of flashing lights that just won't stop. 3 little angels with halos and with wings. 4 Santa's elves making toys that he brings. 5 swift reindeer, they know how to fly. 6 lacy snowflakes that fall from the sky. 7 jolly men, all made of snow. 8 candy canes, no eating them though. 9 menorah candles to mark the gift of light. 10 pretty presents to make our holiday bright. 10 trim the treers, now their job is done. It's time to serenade their pets and everyone. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end.